Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 2nd February 2026. Union Budget 2026 introduces a significant tax benefit for overseas professionals visiting India. Non-residents will receive a 5-year exemption on income earned outside India. This applies to those visiting under government-notified schemes. The tax-exempt status begins from their first visit for service rendering. This move aims to attract global talent by offering clear tax certainty. India has raised the duty-free import limit for returning residents and tourists of Indian origin to Rs 75,000 effective February 2nd. This update, replacing the decade-old baggage rules, also revises the allowance for foreign tourists to Rs 25,000. Specific duty-free allowances for gold jewellery have also been introduced for returning Indian residents. A high-level committee on banking for Viksit Bharat is expected to examine bank ownership structures, seeking to build fewer but bigger lenders with sufficient balance sheet arsenal to power India's entry into the elite league of developed nations that offer robust and reliable infrastructure, high per capita incomes and quality of life, and a financing ecosystem capable of supporting long gestation projects. The Union Budget 2026 has proposed a staggered timeline for filing income tax returns to ease the rush during the peak filing season and give certain taxpayers more breathing room. Under this proposal, the extended August 31st deadline is meant specifically for non-audit business cases and trusts, while the July 31st cutoff continues for most individual taxpayers with non-audit cases. Bengaluru-based aerospace components manufacturer JJG Aero has raised $30 million in Series B funding from Norwest. Veda Corporate Advisors acted as the sole transaction advisor on the deal. The company said the freshly raised funds will support the construction and capacity addition at its upcoming facility in North Bangalore, driving vertical integration and fund other strategic initiatives. Oracle is considering cutting between 20,000 and 30,000 jobs and may also look at selling parts of its business, including Cerner, the healthcare software firm it acquired a few years ago. The move comes as US banks pull back from funding Oracle's large AI data center expansion, making it harder and costlier for the company to raise money. Possible job cuts alone could free up $8 billion to $10 billion in cash, money Oracle urgently needs right now. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.